Welcome back to Total DIY. Today I'm going to show you how to make anointing oil. We'll talk about why the material used in this video matters and how to get the rich golden color and how this simple DIY can become a lucrative business opportunity. Let's get started. We start by pouring 750 ml of food grade paraffin oil into a stainless steel cup. Make sure your oil is food grade. This is very important, especially because the oil may come in contact with skin and is used for spiritual purposes. Industrial paraffin oil is not safe for this. Make sure when you are sorting for your paraffin oil, ask the vendor to give you food grade paraffin oil. Now, warm the oil using a double boiler. We don't want it to get too hot. Just warm enough so the oil becomes more fluid and can blend well with the color. Now, add your food grade oil-soluble color, just a pinch at a time. Stir gently as you go, and watch the oil gradually takes on that beautiful golden hue. Be patient. Adding the color slowly gives you control over how deep or light the color becomes. Once you are satisfied with the color, remove the oil from the heat and let it cool down completely before bottling. Carefully pour your finished anointing oil into clean bottle or containers. Now it is ready for use or for sale. This is not just a simple DIY, this is a potential business. Anointing oil is used in churches, prayer houses, home and spiritual gatherings. When you use high quality food grade ingredients, your product stands out in purity, safety and value. And guess what? It has a low production cost and high profit margin. With a good branding and packaging, this can become a lucrative side hustle or full-time business. So that is how you make anointing oil the safe and professional way. If you find this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notifications so you never miss out on DIY tips from Total DIY. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.